Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Capsule CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Capsule CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay on top of potential leads and customers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Capsule CRM website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up the website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a Capsule CRM account, from time to time, they do run various offers. So right now they're doing a free trial. So you want to click right here, try free. Okay. So once you do that, you're going to want to choose the different plan because after the free trial, it does start billing. So Capsule has a lot of different plans available. The main difference is how many contacts you're going to have. So if you have up to 30,000 contacts, then the starter plan should be sufficient. However, if you have more contacts, then you're going to want to upgrade to the growth or the advanced. Also, these higher tiers have different features that are available to you. So for example, this one, you get team and access controls, and they let you know the price right here. However, this is based on the year. If you potentially are going to be paying monthly, you can go ahead and click right here. Okay, now you can see the starter is $11 and the growth is $20 per user per month. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use the growth plan. Okay, next, in order to sign up and create your Capsule CRM account, you need to enter in your work email. So I'm going to enter mine in off screen. They do let you know no credit card is required. Okay, I entered in my email. You can also sign in with your Microsoft or Google Workspace. I don't really like to do that, so I'm just going to use my email. Okay, so next, Capsule is going to ask for your full name, your organization name, create a username, and then a password. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, I entered in all the required information. I'm going to click here, create your account. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now Capsule is going to ask you a few questions about your account. So you can choose to answer these, or you can do what I do and skip for now. Now they're asking how many people are going to use my CRM. Here you can go ahead and invite other team members into your account. And here you can go ahead and add contacts, your first contact. Okay, lastly, it's asking if you want to go ahead and import your data or send any email templates. So I'm going to go ahead and click here, go to your dashboard. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Capsule CRM dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start uploading my contacts or putting deals together. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Capsule CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.